Howdy, howdy, rock tumblers. We're going to do stage 4 rock reveals. This is the polish stage. They've been tumbling for 7-8 days. Kind of lost track. I think it was last Saturday or Sunday. I need to write this stuff down. Anyway, it's been a week. And, oh, check that out. Wow. Nice frothing action there. Nice slurry. Or is that like a latte with some foam on it? Ha ha ha, bad joke. Anyway, all right, here we go. Let's check these out. Let's hope they polished up the way they said they would. They told me, right? Kidding. Well, they still feel good. They don't feel sharp. None of them broke. This time I finally put enough in there to get them to not break. I didn't have as many in the last tumbles. Okay, here we go. Ugh. Sorry. Okay, kind of a nondescript one. Got some good polish on that, though. Hopefully you can see that. It's not too blurry. Let's see. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Nice. Can you see that? Hopefully it's not blurry. I hope my camera will cooperate. You see, I don't mind these crevices and stuff. I just think it's really cool. Here's the one that's a piece of cheese. I don't want you to take a bite. It just looks like a piece of cheese. This one's good too. See, I like those imperfections. Gives it character. Let's put this on the towel so I don't lose them. Oh, this is the biggest one that I've done in this these Lortone 33 barrels, 3-pound barrels each one. Pig nose, human nose, no disrespect. I just think it looks like a nose. Oh, that looks really good. Let's see what else we got here. Got these. Those look good. Yeah. See, imperfections, but that's okay. I'll dry these off at the end of the video, and then we can really get a good look. Okay, so this is rough right here, and so is that. However, I really like those colors. I just think that looks so nice. Got that and that. Nice, nice. Looking good. Yep, looking real good. What do you guys think, huh? Oh, here's the one that my mom calls a spider. It looks like a spider. The legs. I might have to give her that one. That one's okay. See, it's got some cracks. That's all right. I'm not a perfectionist. Actually, perfection is subjective anyway, so it's whatever. Beauty's in the eye of the beholder. So I think these turned out really well. Yep, they're really pretty. Okay, this is one of the ones that cracked because I didn't put... Let's see, I think it goes with this one. Yeah, it goes with that one. I was kind of bummed that broke, but I put too few rocks in stage 2 and 3, and so they broke. But anyway... So did the ends get... Yeah, the ends kind of got polished. Broken ends. Very nice. These look really nice. Oh, this is one that I'm keeping. I keep giving my rocks away, but I really like this because I love chocolate. I love mint. This reminds me of chocolate and mint. I'm keeping that one. Oops. Oh no, I dropped a rock. Yeah, these are so pretty. I got all these rocks from the Central Coast in California. I shouldn't say all of them. Some of them I probably got over in the desert. Boron, California. In the desert. Ooh, this one's nice. That's a little rough right there, but I really like that contrast and the colors. It's really neat. So pretty. What's going on here? Just a little tiny one. Oh, that's right. Some of these I put in here that had not gone through any of the other polishing. I'm sorry. Grits. They had been naturally tumbled from the ocean, and I just threw them in the polish stage, and I think that's some of these because I don't recognize them from the previous one. So there's that one, and then there was another one that I was going to keep. Now I don't remember which one it was. Oh, it's this one because I like this pattern on here. So there you go. All right, that's stage 4. Oh, wait, hang on. God, I got to hand them. Let me dry these off real quick. Okay, see, they're still polished. Yep, they're still shiny. I don't know, maybe they're looking pretty good. Here, let's do this. It's pretty polished. Yep, looking good. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please, I would appreciate if you do a thumbs up so it'd share with more people and I can do more videos for you and share because I absolutely love this. So rock on!